How have you seen technology improve the common workflows in continuous improvement and have those lead to advances in manufacturing in your career?
Yeah, I've seen technology help a lot in manufacturing, but I want to take one step back and just say I think building skills helps the most. So if you bring in a new technology, you have to make sure you understand why you're bringing it in first. Because if you just bring it in and you haven't built a skill set or you haven't built like good habits, then the technology is not going to help you. So technology can help transform the workplace, but if you don't build the habits and you don't know why it's there, then it can actually be a detriment. So you have to make sure you're following a good implementation process and you have to have the idea behind why. And like for example, when I was at a previous position, we were implementing a total productive manufacturing process. And we didn't have any of the information we needed digitally. So I had to form with the team to figure out how to get our operational equipment efficiency. So that would be three metrics where we have to get availability, we have to get quality, we have to get performance. So we figured out how we wanted to get all of those metrics. And eventually, about 18 months later, working with our IT team and all of that, we were able to get it all done digitally. So every day we didn't have to record it in books anymore. We had it all ready for us. It saved us a ton of time. But if we didn't do all that work up front and we just had somebody come in and make us a program, if we realized we had the wrong data or we were grabbing the wrong subset of information, it's a lot harder to change code than it is to change what you're recording on a piece of paper. So I guess that's kind of like my cautionary tale is it will help you, but you need to know what you want it to do first.
Yeah, absolutely. That why and then linking the use to that benefit is huge in adoption. I think you hit it nail on the head there.